Hi, my name is Neal Bonrud, and I'm a Washington State Attorney located 30 miles from Seattle in North Bend, Washington. Something bad has happened, and the first question you ask is, do I need a lawyer? If you're watching this video and you have a legal problem, then the short answer is that you probably do. Let's consider a couple of examples. First, you've been injured in a car accident. You're still seeing a doctor or physical therapist. The other guy's insurance adjuster has already paid to repair your car and is offering you a settlement. Do you need a lawyer? I know a lot of adjusters, and I used to work with them at insurance companies. Some of them are wonderful people, but they're not working for you, and they're not looking out for your best interests. They work for a company that is concerned with its bottom line and shareholders. The adjuster isn't going to tell you about how he or she is trying to reduce the company's loss expense ratio or how they need to meet their numbers to get a bonus this year. If you're being offered a fair settlement, then by all means take it. But are you sure it's fair? What about a DUI? Maybe you were intoxicated and are truly remorseful. If you were, then you should be remorseful, but does that mean you shouldn't find someone to represent you and get a fair deal? It's estimated that 28% of people will get a DUI at some point. Are they all bad people? Of course not. People make mistakes. There are a lot of options when it comes to how your case will be handled. Once you plead guilty, though, those options are gone. Maybe there were problems with how your testing was done, or maybe you can receive a reduced punishment, which will allow you to keep your driver's license or job. The legal system is a maze of rules with a language all its own. That's why lawyers go to 3 years of law school and then have to take and pass the state bar exam. If you decide you need a lawyer, then you have to decide who you want to represent you. Do you hire the big city lawyer in the fancy office with the fees to go with it? Or the discount lawyer with whom you will only meet once before being passed off to one of his paralegals? Or do you hire the small town lawyer who your family has been using for the past 40 years? Do you hire the experienced lawyer who is very busy and doesn't have time to respond to your questions? Or do you hire the younger lawyer who is highly motivated to represent you but hasn't been through this many times before? I can't answer those questions for you, but I can say this. You should hire the lawyer that makes you feel comfortable that they are going to be actively involved in your case and give you their best effort. They'll work hard and always be looking out for your best interests. They should give you their best advice, even if it's not what you want to hear. This is an important relationship that can have a big impact on your life. Any of the lawyers I described earlier might be the right lawyer for you. If you are interested in working with the Bonrud Law Firm, we offer a free consultation for you and I to see if we can work together. I will meet with you and we will discuss how we can help you. If we can't help you, we will try to help you find a lawyer that can. So contact me, Neal Bonrud, at the Bonrud Law Firm at area code 425-292-0735, or go to my website at bonrudlaw.com.